Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a lemon mousse, but with a difference. This has no dairy in it, no heavy cream, nothing in it, and the entire bowl has just 125 calories and almost zero carbs. And it's turned out so yummilicious, and I thought I'd bring the recipe for you. And so let me show you what it looks like and do a taste test. So here it is, and I want you to see the fluffiness, the lightness, and if you are a lemony person, then this recipe is for you. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with this recipe. I've taken 1/4 of a cup of water and I've added 2 teaspoons of gelatin to it and allow it to bloom. Now I'm taking 1/4 of a cup of egg white powder and I'm going to mix it in with half a cup of warm water. Egg white powder can be used in its raw form. It's pasteurized and it's very different from using just raw egg whites. So feel free to use these, and it's very, very safe, and it's not like having raw egg whites. So now I'm adding all the two mixtures into a blender, and I'm going to give it a good blend until it becomes light, fluffy, and you'll see like soft peaks, just very light soft peaks. Now I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice to it and half a cup of a powdered sweetener. Give it all a good blend and into your dish that you want to put it into the refrigerator. And I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon zest to it, and it'll stay in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and you'll have the perfect lemon mousse. Thanks for watching.